Mwanju murina ndeni ko Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chabono muwasekera nkukore na SMS yito ya mangana Amayia Chinsa ichindi ngumanyi na leto abosangiri kuri akete go ikabone no kuboli kwane na ira chinga kijura ali mangana ayo leto gotebye na leto gusangiri kuri iri anyi mocha bosongo amo nasigusunyirana bakonda gotobwate sensemeri mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News oiga senseme ya YouTube na bagotonyora Ndizi TV News oigo na bogoto tweet @Ndizi TV News wetera nandi na bogoto rikere SMS ya wetera sinamba ira screen ya kranso ikende nkwerere ayo amo na mago yora sensemeri yo murwe manyerio nigakurukwa Joshua Uta neriane Brighton Makori. Lero na riri tuko ria kaberekera bakenya banyora ribaga ryo goikasa magajo yibunge enene iri kurigereria omubere bonya gusira umurayo gatatu bwenzi yito ya Kenya Emilio Mwai Kibaki iri tukurigaro ni umurayo bwenze araita bakenya na gocha kumuroberi yugo bwa matukatatu ya bakenya kumwakira amaskani gose kumwa amaskani yo mwali umurayo gatatu bwenze yito ya Kenya Emilio Mwai Kibaki karabarai bagendereta komotoki Kibaki buna ni gareta magendero asense yito ya Kenya oikabangi ni gobagote abuna Kibaki ekararinga subura ini gensi ya Kenya uchumi ya imogete igoro ne birengo bya uchumi ni go byarenge ebiya kolengani na barai bande babera asense yito ya Kenya boigo miroberi ni gendete kwene kiwo gosiko miroberi ni gendete korekana bene asokweni wa kwanya gosira iyo chiko korekana lituko lya Jumamosi asiri tuko lichuma lira lirikoba lituko li holiday asaba Kenya bonsi elikolera asogosira gosogo kwa murayo gatatu kwense yito ya Kenya. Kato kuskabosioni gabona abana boda kurwase county ya Kisii ni gabona bacha kiri umuroberi bwekerero anene eri kuchikuyarigania asobosombi bwabo gose korobyo bosombi bwabo yani gagocha maiga yabana boda gochamo na gochaka mo egenteke hapu senjera yege digitali asebono barachi korobyo bosombi na gukora obosalia ase ensemeli ya boda keroba kwana ni gobate abuna ni gomuroberi yogo chikokonya bali barata kutumia boda gutumia senjera yake rero konyora oyomo osekonyora umwana boda na wikase nsemale iri kumurushi korororo imurobiri wanene ni gokorekana ase chimatatu gose ase chika urimega ndena hupa kulinda ase county ya Kisii ngobona bacha kyumurobiri oyo imega na boda yo ogochikokonya abana boda ase county ya Kisii teturariringa kyabana boda u banyara bakukwana
rero ko launch a mobile application that will assist or sanitize the boda industry. Elinde abantu bali barase sector ya boda banyale konyale biashara na abantu bali mu banyale ko batomera kirasi na enderenda abantu banyale gotwara trust ase abantu bako chipigipiri ase county ya Kisii
wabasaba asaba rindu baito download ya hapo yagara nechiko ba biashara bia na nechiko ta sanity ase industry ya boda
Rero igani gonde no mogoko twachire ko launch app ya ito ya boda ekoroku e-boda courtesy of CJBC yani yere Catholic Peace and Justice Commission nande to wakira buyamono ase kanisa ya ito ya Kisii Diocese asogo gwaterana na intu ko make sure ngasanti ngotoka rasi boda
Horoboti urwa boda ni gojikora nyora senjera yobo keranuge koragense yamo yabona marwaba yakeromori kwito miriri mumanyi agendete kukurwarikira irinda jikoroyora jikoraga chense yamo yabona marwaba kurto kuskabozio nikobona umonjeri omonene chimi gwanjigi uyibo igokori kirokyo president ya sense ito ya Kenya wetera ase kyama gya safina nyarika komaja hosoku kwa machibu ya matema nyaraka kubwatu kwa lituko lya Jumamosi anene kranyaraka otabuna abaroki wa banke ni kobataeta samatema ayo ekirebuna ebirengo bya masoma sense ito ya Kenya ni gobiranire inse.
The results that have come out of KCSE results are disastrous. They are disastrous. They are pain in very many homes in this country. Severe pain to parents and to students. And it is because of that I've called this press conference, so that this does not go away like it never happened. because it is happening to very many of our Kenyan brothers and sisters' homes today. Just to give you an indication, 82% of the children who have sat KCSE results have been condemned to failures with grades below C+. 82%. The comparison in 2012 was 70% who are below C+. So it tells you that this is an increasing problem that is not being addressed. I want to add that 70% of those who have been condemned to C+ and below are girls, our girl child. It is devastating. There is a great sense of hopelessness and uncertainty with our children, parents, and teachers. And this goes to a fundamental issue that we do not have a proper education philosophy. We are unclear about exams and its outcomes, and we are unclear about its aims.
Omobungo kitutuma saba Sadak John Moseni gobona cha kirina nda sentundende kubotuka chibesi cha CDF sibesi cha magendro ase ebunge yiri kwena kwena ngusirara magendro asensemeyo anene ase jiskuro kera watu kete chibesi cha seri tukurigoro ngobona Sadak Kenya takawate abone ine denjere yamuyo kokenderi magendro ase ensemeyo bigo nigate berune serikali egojigo soa ase matukare bosyo anene kerara ase obomo boribwa Kenya kwanza nigate tabuna serikali iyo nigoji kokenderi magendro anene asebunge ya kitutu masaba
wana shughulikire kurwa chibese CDF funds to my schools chiri tutarasira muchibese bakolere epohol egare skuru ya kyabira enyora mache because bwa the problem ya mache tutaje handle tibia na nabegonjo konyore nga terakora, but I believe twins business stakeholders and leaders we would support to ensure a CPC has succeed. Nyege nethenga serikali yego chigojere go chimotuaiga mama tenje no mundo UDA go murayo ne Dr. William Samoei Ruto nimanyete bune serikali yego chimotuga iga nenjere litu asugumire na intubune county Nyamira korwanira tole kapisa omwaka oyo otaraera goso mwaka ogocha gogochaka onyole na intu twanyolera at least a university as a county ya Nyamira.
Abamenyi begwodi yeibono yego toka sebunga nyari bali chache niko bono bandete komo chabarayi bali bare yas chobizi kolengana niko batara kora magendro ase enseme kolengana barabuni ga magendro gete achagete kwa senseme yu anne chinyomba chagete kwa gajwa anne na segwodi yikolende wikabono nchira era intu bire na magendro nigira nire maiga ase enseme yibono niko bali rebuna niko bago chiko chora barayi bali barabaredere magendro ase enseme yu
omwe mushio tu ajagito kwa Tom na ajagito bisi ye ward lakini kuru 2013 ward ye yanya kwera bono ega abantu baite ngo tu basaba bali wanja bachore abarayi babwata maroro lakini tu gusaba kujagira bono mwaka oyo bono ndoje tuchora mutienyo onane tuwara gusaba abantu baitu baibe no ward bachware omonto obwata maroro nto chora muna kuru 2013 paka bono iga no yo 2022
emiradi ya chagete kuru 2013 ama ene njanya gusuka ego turuche ngana bebwate challenges era chiward chinde chionse pi echirose ti pake ofisi ye ward ye kaera lakini ye ward ya ibeno tianya gukura ofisi ase miake yonsi yabe irange 15 barayi bachori bakora aseboni ga twari gocha konyora umurayi umuyabwa magenderero egera agenderera ibeno yairanira ase chigwodi cyose pibono turasa oteba chia chigwodi cyanyari bari cyache ibeno nererense ekogera abarayi togochora ebakogenda mbari gotokorera emirimo twabachora
ebintu bire nyandora ga bigo chaka bikagati byatigerworo munabono yo tobwato mutangani na bachake tobisi akaye kigati akayetigo bakabono yabere munachicho no abantu bako yotumeka abantu no bakobeka no ene chabwororo bono tosinyirenga ingi bago chakere binto batigera gati oyo kabera gacha nera gacha ko obisie social iga nero toroje igete nchira nere tigeiro
Oraboti urugo rwa senseme yibedo buna bamenye banda ko yahitira igoro enda takwariganirwa na Brian Isena igano chikoronyora chikorage kuragense yabona marababa igo Brian Sagini Isena iganda takwariganira senchira ayobikira nukiro tokosuka bosuni go na babwatani bekiama yakanukurwa senseme yelda marafin yera sebunke go se county ya Baringo nigo bono banyari bakwemurunganeli igoro yabachori abokebu ikiama ekyo banyari bakorekana senseme yikorengana nomunyakiro bwekiama ekyo senseme yelda marafin Wilson Tanui nigo bananyarika komo chubuteni bwekiama ekya satabiro nabo chori obumbu akorekanede asenjera yo bwene no bwasioko asabona bolli ekyamekyo osoboteni bwekyamekyo kwiranirira obachori obu erikonyora baraya baya barachikogendelia magendro asensemeyo
kukemea kutelewa kwa cheti cha Karo Talam ambaye alipatiwa hivi juzi. Wiki tulikuwa na wakombezi wawili, hatukuona kama ilifanyika kwa njia bora. Kwa hivyo zidi kama wanachama tunahitaji fair nomination, na ikiwezekana gura irudiwe, wafanye fair nomination katika Elamaravine branch, ifanywe mjujo. La pili, tuna appeal kwa NEC office wa nullify certificate ambao walipatia Karo Talam.
Kwa jina naitwa Daniel Kimngetich Kiprop Arab Kaba, na mimi ni moja ya wale walionyesha kukompea kiti ya Elamaravine katika chama cha KANU, na kwa kweli tumekuwa tukiendelea vizuri. Nimehusisha chama kuanzia branch na nikaeleza nia yangu ya kueneza agenda ya chama katika Elamaravine, na tumekuwa tukiendelea vizuri, na tuliitwa kwa board interview tukafanya vizuri, na tukaambiwa tutauzishwa baada.
Aba ni anjoki kurwa se county ya Nandi nigo bono babodi serikali ko bekemerubiri ya bene erikona kibuna bani anjoki abunkore ndu bale ko asenseme yugo sazinseto ya Kenya ayininga gocha magega yogwakwa ose igoro yogokwa kwa moni anjoki dabali smutei oyonyara kagotoka senye enyombe ya masenseme ya iten gakwete kurengana nabali bakorata okorobekana litkurigoro bani anjoki unigo batebuna abani anjoki abange nigo babere bagoitu ande sababu gose ekerenga kyo witwa bongora manyikana bono nigo babudi byombe biri bitenete obolende asensemo ya Kenya gutinge bolendi na gokoro butukiwa bwisaine kwena kiningi abanyanjuki abange bagwiterwa asense yeito ya Kenya.
To the government to take action, because it will not be good every now and then at least be mourning and no any action that the government is taking. So let's say no to gender-based violence and also to the mental illness.
Joseph Njuguna, yes, I'm an athlete here in 18. Government of Kenya, they have to register every athlete all over the country. Every athlete must register as an athlete so that we can know who are the training, who are the comment, who are the business. We need to everyone, every county in 47 county, every athlete must register as an athlete. Hiyo ndio kazi yao, wa register tujue wakimbiaji na ambao wanafanya shughuli zingine kando na hizo.
For the government, we have raised these issues about laws that should be strict. We also need offices, local offices that women can go to, because they feel like if they go to a police station, the perpetrators, they can bail themselves out and then continue killing athletes. So we need strict laws on if somebody is being violated and they go to police station, they should take that seriously, because we know of issues going on here in the 10 where athletes report these issues and nothing happens. Somebody is out in 24 hours.
Komoteri Kevin Kyoko oya bange omanyete buna bahati ni gobono amajiri botenini bwikyama gya tubiri hanene kara atwe ticket yokurwanire kirego kyobo chumba sensemeria matare korende akakwake nanda agachaga kirosi bina gotebuna bono asikolengana no botukibwa kwa rugo semangana ya soning ni gobono mo chumbe agukori senseme gwetera sekyama gya ODM kolengana na Kyoko ni gobana nyarega kuburi botenini bwikyama gya tubiri komo ticket erinere anyarega kurwanire kirego
called me. They said I've fairly won the nomination and got the certificate. but it's about the zoning, and ODM claims that Mathare it is zone. So mimi ningeambiwa mapema basi, mimi ni kwa Azimio, ningeambiwa you ndio the right candidate, because they know who is leading in polls and all that, and because Baba calls this his bedroom. I know and I strongly believe he understands that this current MP has done nothing for the people of Mathare. And Baba, because this is your bedroom, I believe you will not allow your people to continue suffering. And I request and beg and call upon you to instead tell the sitting MP to step down, for Mathare to be led by the people of Mathare.
Ebengi ya Equity ni gobono ya bwatokire chisiringi chimilioni isano chimia isano nemo goji asaborokiwa be University ya Nairobi amone University ya Meru anene bari banyarete bagweso bari bagoswa ase egosori gose asumuro umurubiri nyarete kogosoki gusoma ikanduna Equity Acton umurubiri nyarete kogosokiwa igwe kubatana nebengi ya Equity amo na Microsoft ya rekurigereria abana bari be University anene bari bagokora emerubiri asenjera yekerero gose bari bakora asumunu bwe kenyamero bamaite innovative igono nigebengi yanyandike kubatoka chibese chuchi asaboroki wabu akaromo okero umono kero musio osu umutenere manne bengi James Mwangi anyarika hote abunense ya Kenya netakiri ko swasenjera yekerero nekarereke ni okera letu na bana be university.
The was more of removing bureaucracy in financial access and what it had been defined. And that we can see the power of innovation. These young people, you may want to call them what at Juakali, we never call them Juakali. This is our industries. These are our enterprises in Africa. And you can see 523 billion shillings have been trusted to young people. How many of them? 12 million. They may be taking 100,000, 40,000, but that's what they need for their furniture shop. They don't need millions. Innovations can be very, very profitable. We're the most profitable bank, not just in Kenya, but East and Central Africa. Innovation can be very, very profitable.
For Africa to be a global leader in innovation and technology, one of the ways that we need to figure out is how to work with our youth, especially the ones that are in higher education institutions. And this is because the bulk of the knowledge sits with them. So fostering innovation through programs such as hackathons, boot camps, gives the students an opportunity to practice what they learn and also work with industry on innovations that can help shape how our industries work.
Institutions of higher learning, ladies and gentlemen, nurture graduates equipped to join the global industry when companies such as Equity Group Holdings and Microsoft identify and invest in the need to open up their wisdom-filled doors to our students. The students now work with newfound knowledge, skills, and renewed minds fixated on the numerous opportunities available in the industry.
Ayuna na Korean Chinsa Ikomi konde nyora chikora gense yemo ya bona maragoba ojuka nyora yomo na mange korwa sikata seni kyao Ndizi TV na rwa sumbusi hando ko nyori no mwanchu murere na bogo akirikata seni kyao Ndizi TV ekura ekaroko likerieta kuza olitome ko cyase yemo isano nemo enoti yemo igoko cyakanelieta kuza omaye gutuma ko ji ase yemo isano nemo enoti yemo enoto akirekura negata seni ya chirenguma no maitene ya chirenguma yo karturanya tokubwa na yego kwa bwiri kumanjumurira ikasense meri ukuri SMS onyare ko kulikireta kuza nyaro kurituma goji ase nambina gotebi yemo isano nemo enoti yemo endoma wakera Ndizi TV one station ere umanyete gose station eko kimano gose okorete merubeli ya bene asomunu bwekusi kurwa sorongo rwagusi uni godena enda kuri merubeli ito ne yenero Ndizi TV obwansu bomagusi orenga sense media umuntu wemanyererio nigakorwa Joshua Uta neliane Brighton Makoli twara umoroba umya.
Omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ry'ubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elio wikere abarigereria kurochi county sana na ibire echo chira sorogonko rwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesimi ase namba enoti sana na ibire